Did you know you can change the brightness level of the Xbox LED logo on the Series controller? And not only that, you can change also the brightness of the main console. Let me show you how. If you're gaming in dark environment, I can imagine that this light might be disturbing for some people. But the good news is that we can change the brightness level of the Xbox logo very easy. So on our Xbox menu, we go to the settings, then to accessibility, and from there we find the night mode settings. There on the controller brightness, you can modify the level of brightness of the Xbox logo LED. Crazy, right? And this can help your batteries last much longer. And below that, you can find the power button brightness, where you can decrease or even turn off the light from the console's power button. That's nice, huh? But then you wouldn't know if you have your Xbox turned on or turned off, and that's a problem. And if you own Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, the Xbox logo can be customized to different colors. You can find that on accessories and customize your Elite 2 controller to your favorite color. Unfortunately, you cannot do that on a regular Xbox Series controller, and that's a bummer. That was Lacrosse Moments, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.